Hello guys, how are you? I'm going to explain you how you can express likes and dislikes about food or something. Okay? Perfect. To express likes or dislikes, we use the present simple. Use like by I, you, we, and they. And likes with S by he, she, and it. Okay, these are some examples. I like flowers, you like chocolate, we like fast food, and with the third singular person, he likes snakes, she likes chocolate. Okay, to express dislike, use don't, okay, or doesn't in this case. Use don't right down between the pronoun and like. For example, I don't like flowers, you don't like chocolate, we don't like fast food. And for the third singular person, remember, use doesn't. She doesn't like chocolate. Other examples to express likes and dislikes about this fruit and this vegetable. Um, for example, I like apples, I don't like apples, okay? And if I want to talk about other person, in this case, to talk about a man, use he. And use likes and doesn't like, okay? He likes broccoli and she doesn't like broccoli. Okay, my dear students, is all. Goodbye and blessings.